Hello friends, I am Mukesh Singh. In this video, we will learn about observer design pattern. Let's see the agenda. First, we look into its definition, then its participants, and at last, we will have a demo program in Visual Studio. Observer is a behavioral design pattern that lets you define a subscription mechanism to notify multiple objects that any event happen to an object they are observing. It, it is useful on publisher subscriber mechanism where one object is publishing an event on a state change and one or many subscriber listening to those events. Participants. So first is subject, or we can take as stock, knows its observer. So here we have this attach method with which we can attach those observers. So any number of observer objects may observe a subject. Then concrete subject. So here it is IBM. So IBM stock is the concrete object. Store the state of interest and it sends the notification it to its observer when the state change. Observer define an updating interface for object that should be notified on change in a subject. So if you see here we have this update method and it is listening to the event. So whenever there is change in IBM stock, it will notify to these investor objects. Then we have this concrete observer. So it is the implementation of iInvestor interface, which has the definition for update, and it will have the uh, it will have store the state of subject which will be always maintained like consistent, like what are the changes in the state. Say there is a uh, price which is changed in stock, and at the same time it will be reflected with the event in investors object as well. So let's jump into the demo in Visual Studio. As you can see, we are at Visual Studio and I had just kept it side by side, the console, so that we can see what is happening. So at the first step, we are creating an object of IBM stock. And once the object is created, we will attach investors to observe those, to listen all the state changes. We are attaching two of the investors, and after that we are changing this price property. So initially it is 120, and then we are changing them. So if we go here or come down and see, we have this change event arguments we have created, which is observing this symbol and the price. And as you have seen this subject abstract class, so it has the property symbol price. And here we have this event. So in this change event, we'll add all the listeners. And here we have the on change event, which is fired when we have any change in the price. So when the price change, this on change event is fired with change event as symbol and the price. So it will have these two information. So here we have attached these investors into it. And when these change events fire, it will call this update from the investor object and it will notify. So let's run it and see how it works. So, so here it created the IBM object and it had this price 120 and symbol name is IBM. And here it attached investor as Soros and Berkshire. And now if you observe here, whenever the price will change, it will update, it will print this message what we have in update with each price change. So as you can see, our notified Soros of IBM's changed to 120.10. So like that, on every price change, we have the notification which is sent to all the observers. So yeah, that's it for this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.